Have you heard of the Citi Trifecta? It may not be as well known as other credit card trifectas, but for the right goals, it can be a game changer. In just 5 minutes, we'll break down the Citi Trifecta and show you how it can help you earn big rewards with minimal effort. Make sure to stick around to the end of the video where I show you how we use the Citi Trifecta and what worked and what didn't work for us. Is the Citi Trifecta right for you? Now, going back to the flowchart that we made, you're gonna wanna ask yourself first, do you wanna think, or are you willing to optimize which card you want to use when so that you can maximize your earning potential? The great thing about the Citi Trifecta is that it's one of the most simple setups. I call it the gateway to all travel rewards cards.
Your gateway drug, what you go for first?
If you don't want to think and you just want straightforward cash back, it's really the best setup for you. If you're willing to optimize what card to use when, then primarily this Trifecta is going to work for you if you want cash back. If you want travel rewards perks, you're going to want to go with one of the other Trifecta systems, as they give you better travel rewards and perks overall. I'll leave a link in the description to the past video of how for you to easily decide which program is the right one that you should choose. How does the Citi Trifecta compare to all of the other programs out there? The high-level summary is the Citi is a great entry rewards credit cards ecosystem. It has the lowest gross annual fee. It also has the easiest cash back to use across all of the cards. Stick around to the end of the video where we'll do a comparison of the Citi Trifecta versus all of the other rewards programs out there. Benefits to you. Let's go over the 3 cards that make up the Trifecta. The first one's going to be the Citi Double Cash Credit Card. The second one's going to be the Citi Custom Cash Card. And the final one's going to be the Citi Premier Credit Card. These are the 3 cards that make up the Citi Trifecta. Sign-up bonuses. The Citi Double Cash Credit Card does not come with any sign-up bonuses. The Citi Custom Cash Card will give you $200 in cash back after you make qualifying purchases, and the Citi Premier Card is going to give you 75,000 points after you spend 4,000 within the first 3 months. That's equivalent to $750 cash back. That means in combined total, if you get this Trifecta, you can get up to $950 cash back. That's a good amount of cash back considering you're only paying $95 annual fee for the Citi Premier Credit Card. Now, let's go over the benefits of each of the cards. For the Citi Double Cash, this one is primarily focused, like the rest of them, on cash back, so you're not going to get any travel benefits from this. For the Custom Cash, you also won't get any travel benefits. And for the Citi Premier, you will get a $100 credit per year, which gives you $100 off a single stay of $500 or more booked through thankyou.com. You do have the ability to transfer your points to travel partners, but again, there's not a lot of benefit here, as the majority of the benefit should come from the cashback. As discussed in my previous video, Citi has pretty strong overall earning potential. Shout out to the user Rodell Media for calling me out on the groceries that it should be 3x with the Premier card, not 2x, which is updated in the chart. The Citi Trifecta earning potential. If we look across all of the categories, Citi actually does pretty well as far as how much multipliers it gives you back for earn. Across all of the major categories, flights, hotels, dining, groceries, gas, you'll get 3x back with the Premier card. And the Citi Double Cash Card is going to give you 2x cash back across all of the remaining categories that aren't included in here. That's pretty powerful and you don't have to think a lot. You can just go ahead and use a Premier card for the major categories, or use the 2x double cashback for all of the remaining categories. Easiest way to get started. To get started, you're going to first want to ask yourself, are you going to be able to spend that $4,000 within the first 3 months to get the 75,000 bonus on the Citi Premier card? Now, if you are able to do that, then you're going to get $750 back in cash back, which is awesome because that pays for the $95 annual fee. If you're unable to spend that $4,000 within the first 3 months, then I would recommend you start with the Citi Custom Cash Card, which gives you $200 cash back after you spend $1,500 on purchases in the first 6 months of account opening. This also has a no annual fee, so you get $200 profit right off the bat just for doing that spend, as well as the 5x back on your most used purchases. After that, you can move over to the Citi Double Cash Credit Card, get that so that you can get the 2% back on all purchases, and then decide over time if you want to go ahead and get the Citi Premier. The way to think about the Citi Premier is you're going to get an additional 1% back on all of those major categories that we spoke about before. Now, if in an annual year you think that you're going to spend $9,500 across all of those categories, then it's going to be profitable for you in the long run to have that. For most people, getting the 75,000 bonus and that additional 1% across those major categories is going to be worth it. Let's sum it all up so you can decide if the Citi Trifecta is the right system for you. Citi is going to have the lowest gross annual fee of $95. It also has the best cashback benefits. It's the easiest cashback system to use, given you only have to use those cards and then you always get cash back at high multipliers. Best for people who don't care about travel because you don't get a lot of those perks, but you really care about the cash back. Not good for those who want travel perks or those who want to earn travel rewards. For us, Citi was a great introduction into the credit card rewards ecosystems. It was very intuitive and easy to use, especially for cash back. Citi points are currently valued at 1.8 cents per point, but you can get a lot more value out of the American Express points or the Chase points, which are valued at 2 cents per point. Also keep in mind that if you care about travel, you can get those multipliers even higher by using travel partners. For now, because we care about travel, we're going to focus mainly on the travel rewards ecosystems, but over time, once we stop traveling as much, we'll probably switch back and use some of the cards from the Citi Trifecta. Always remember to match your strategy to your goals. Watch this video next where we show you more tips we learned the hard way to live a life of luxury for less so you don't have to.